Hello dear viewers, that you can see phone in my hand. This phone is Oppo Reno 14F 5G. Now today I'll show you how to set up a SIM card and set up a SD card in this phone. If you want to set up a SIM card and SD card in this phone, at first you insert your phone SIM tray. I just put this ejector and open this SIM tray. At first I open SIM tray, and when open SIM tray, you just properly set up SIM card. At first I properly SIM card and I set up two SIM card. At first one SIM card use, and second time I set up, I put this two SIM card, two SIM. When proper set up two SIM, you just put this on your phone and use your phone two SIM card properly. And if you want to use SD card in this phone, you use only one SIM and only SD card, not only use two SIM card in this phone. I only one SIM use and one SD card use. You just set up a properly one SIM card and one SD card is now used properly in this phone. So if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel.